there you go, folks. The Bloody Mary Tequila cocktail. Okay, today I'm gonna make Bloody Mary Tequila, or you call it cocktail. Bloody Mary cocktail. First, I'm gonna need blood orange. It's right here. To wash it. Wash it first and cut it. Ganito po ang tinatawag na blood orange. This is how a blood orange look like. So, para po siyang merong dugo. So, pipigain ko lang po siya. I'm just gonna squish one blood orange, one whole. So, I'm working on one serving only. Pang isang tao lang po ito. So, nandyan na din po yung ice. Nilagay ko na din po yung ice niya dyan. I already have ice in there. Okay. The reason why they call it Bloody Mary is because it looks like blood. Para po siyang dugo. And then I'm gonna add one whole lime. And squeeze. Matrabaho po ang gumawa. Kaya po, pag sa restaurant, o orderin na lang po. Mas mabilis. Magbabayad na lang po kayo ng mas mahal kasi ang binabayaran niyo po doon, you are paying extra for their service. Then, I'm gonna add 1 ounce of this cranberry juice. 100% cranberry juice. Kailangan po 100% para hindi po siya tart po yung cranberry juice na 100%. They are tart. The pure one is tart. Then I'm gonna add my favorite tequila. An ounce and a half. An ounce and a half. That's my daily limit for the day. Hindi po tatlo. Only an ounce and a half if you want to get the full benefits of it. Just get one. Then I'm gonna add half tablespoon of maple syrup. You can have any other sweetener you like. You can use sugar cane or soda or honey. It depends on what you like. I prefer maple syrup. as my sweetener. Then, I'm gonna add a pinch of kosher salt. Ala po kayo kung anong gusto ninyong asin. Isang pindot lang po, isang kurot. Just a little bit of that for a contrasting flavor. Now, if you want to make it look presentable, just a slice, just make a wheel of a lime or the blood orange that you use, and put it right here on the corner. So, thank you for watching. See you next time in my next video. Bye. Stay safe, everyone.